Does your course menu look different this term? We've had a little Blackboard glitch and I'm going to show you how to fix it. If you have a white space above your menu that when you hover over it, you see the course title and call number, but when you move your mouse away, you don't see that, I'll show you how to get it back. So we'll scroll down to the course management section and then to customization. Click the word customization to expand that menu and then click teaching style. Scroll down to the section for menu style. Don't change any options here. Just click that little drop down next to the word white. Underneath the color palette, there is a box with a red slash through it. Click that and then click apply. Go ahead and click submit, and now your course menu will look the way it's always looked. Please let me know if I can help you with anything to get your course menu tightened up.